this video, I'm going to teach you how to bind keyboard in FiveM. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In FiveM, you can bind specific keys on your keyboard to perform actions inside of the game. So for example, this is widely used for emotes. By pressing a specific key, you can perform a specific emote. So in order to use these binds, what you have to do is press F8 to open the console. So press F8 to open the console while inside of a game. It is going to appear at the top left. If the console does not appear, then double check to see if you have it enabled and do your own research in order to find out which button you have to use to open it on your platform. But like I said before, by default, it is going to be F8. Now, the console that you have to use, the console command that you have to use is this one, bind space keyboard, and then you can specify the button that is going to be used to perform this command. So in this example, by pressing the specified key here, it is going to perform this command, which is emote dance. So let's say, for example, if I typed K in here, whenever I pressed K on my keyboard, my character would use the dance emote. But of course, you can use this command to bind anything else. So it doesn't have to be an emote. It can be any other standard command that you want to use while inside of the game. And then by pressing the button displayed here, it is going to perform that command. And you can do this with any emote, any command, and so on. If you want to unbind, then you can do the exact same thing, but instead of typing bind keyboard, you simply replace it with unbind. And by doing this, it is going to remove the command that you assigned to that button. So in this example, K would no longer be used for the dance emote. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.